For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Salman and Sohail Khan's film Tube Light is going to release in a week's time, and before the film hits the big screen, the Khan brothers seem to be in a celebratory mood. No wonder Sohail Khan hosted a small get-together for his family members and close friends. The duo were graced by close buddies like Ulya Vantur and Amrita Arora, and the party was in full swing, but Salman and Ulya were seen spending quality time with each other. In fact, even when the guests bid goodbye and went their way, Salman and Ulya made an exit together. Pictures of them both making an exit together have gone viral, and Ulya's happiness seems to have no bounds as she is seen smiling broadly. Indeed, being with Salman can make any girl feel like a princess, isn't it? What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Well, having played the guessing game for long, fans had almost given up on wondering what went wrong with the hot couple Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif, who fell in love during the making of Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani and even went on to be in a live-in relationship. While the two have never spilled the beans, stand-up comedian Sapan Verma stumbled onto the truth. Take a look at the posters of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Bachna Hai Hasino and Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. The leading lady seems to be laughing out loud at a joke cracked by Ranbir Kapoor. And now let's take a look at some other posters. Here we see the poster of Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, where Kat seems so unsure of whether to laugh or not. Then comes Rajneeti, and once more no smile on Kat's face. Now the killer. Take a look at Chakka Jasoos. Wow, no smile once more. Well, moving on to the other ventures, Kat is seen grinning widely in the poster of Baar Baar Dekho, where she seemingly laughs at something Siddharth Malhotra said. Sapan deduced that as Kat didn't seem to have a sense of humor and didn't understand Ranbir's jokes, the two parted ways. Hahaha, I know you still can't get over the joke, so what do you think of this hilarious take? Did it make your day? Do let us know. So here is Preity Zinta back with her sense of humor, which is so popular in Tinseltown. Yes, the actress getting ready for her upcoming Bhaiyaji super hit with Sunny Deol was asked if she liked to act with Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Obviously a tricky question to handle, Preity in her true style asked if they wanted to put her under the bus, and confidently said both. Well, we have seen Preity with Salman as well as Shah Rukh, and till her affair with Ness Wadia, she was very much a party of the Khan group. However, private matters and cricket took over, and Preity was out of the film scene for some time. But she is back, and how? With her true spunk and charm, we love Preeti's reply, don't we? Diplomatic, politically correct, and so Preity. What do you say?
Hey!
Pakistan may not have the screening of Salman's Tubelight, and this is because two other films, Shor Sharaba and Yalghar, are being slated for a release. The two big-time films of Pakistan are for international viewing, and the country does not wish to ride on the Salman wave that is always there when his film is released there. Obviously, the Dabangg Bhaijaan is not only famous on real life or cross-border love, but also in real life. Well, sad that Salman would have to miss out on Pakistan viewing, and it's sure is going to hit the distribution quotient, which was all set for whooping 130 crores collection even before the movie was released. Set for a June 23rd release, Tubelight is the story of a simpleton who shows his confidence against adversities and is set on the Indo-China war background. So is that why Pakistan is backing out? The China connection. Do let us know what you feel about why the flick won't be screened there.
मैं अगर सितारों से चुरा के लाऊं रोशनी,
हवाओं से चुरा के लाऊं रागिनी,
बस नहीं हो सकेगी तेरी कमी।
Hi guys and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Movie Sata और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट फलक। दोस्तों, सलमान खान की मूवी ट्यूबलाइट से उनका चौथा गाना आउट हुआ है, जो कि है मैं अगर। तो चलिए आइए लोगों से पूछते हैं कैसा लगा उन्हें ये गाना, कैसी लगी उन्हें सुसु और सलमान की केमिस्ट्री, और क्या वो ट्यूबलाइट की ईद के लिए एक्साइटेड है। तो चलो लेट्स गो कम। तो जैसे कि आपको पता है, सलमान खान की फिल्म का 4th गाना जो कि है मैं अगर, वो फाइनली लॉन्च हो चुका है। तो मुझे आप बताइए कैसा लगा आपको ये गाना?
The song was pretty good, and Salman Khan and the actress which is there have shown a very decent relationship, and I'm looking forward to that relationship.
Salman is looking so amazing and so different look this time. Is very innocent and cute as always he is.
गाने के जो बोल है वो भी एकदम बेस्ट है, मजा आ रहा है देखने के लिए। तो मुझे लग रहा है केमिस्ट्री, हाँ मैं अगर, तो मुझे लग रहा है केमिस्ट्री अच्छी जमेगी वो लोगों की।
आतिफ असलम है तो गाना अच्छा होने वाला है, तो उसके लिए सुनेंगे। सलमान खान है अच्छा है, वो भी है।
गाना अच्छा था और मतलब मूवी भी अच्छा हो सकता है, अच्छा रहेगा।
जब वो सलमान खान जो बच्चे से बात करते हैं एंड देन आइसक्रीम लगा हुआ हाथ वो हीरोइन उनके साथ मिलाती है, बहुत एपिक सीन था।
I really like the song. You can see it from my expression itself. I really feel Salman was looking so innocent, and you can see the kid.
Yeah, it was quite good. Never seen Salman in this avatar.
ओवरऑल गाना बहुत अच्छा था, और सलमान का एक्टिंग तो हमेशा ही बाप रही थी, और अभी भी आगे भी हमेशा के लिए बाप है और बाप ही रहेगा।
Yeah, the song was very good.
After listening to this song, I'm looking forward for the movie. Excited about it.
One of the best acting from Salman. Awesome.
और सलमान के चेहरे पे जो इनोसेंस है, उसके एक्टिंग में जो इनोसेंस है, वो देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
How did you like the Chinese actress Zuzu and seeing Salman with him?
एक्चुअली मैंने उसका ट्रेलर देखा है, जूजू के साथ आ रहा है, वो चाइनीज एक्ट्रेस है। अच्छा लग रहा है, गुड लग रहा है, और केमिस्ट्री भी अच्छी लग रही है दोनों की। सलमान भी अच्छा लग रहा है।
First of all, he introduces many actors, but this time he has taken someone from abroad. That's a good sign because we are promoting different actors, and I think she is looking pretty good with Salman.
See, to be very honest, if it's a Salman movie, so all the focus goes to Salman only. And being a Salman fan, I would only watch his movie like twice or thrice. Is only to go and watch Salman. That's it.
It's really nice to see Salman with different kind of actresses, and we'll see.
चाइनीज एक्ट्रेस है तो एक एक्साइटमेंट है कि कैसा लगेगा एक इंडियन एक्टर के साथ उसका केमिस्ट्री होगा, तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है।
चाइनीज एक्ट्रेस को देखकर ही क्यूटनेस झलकता है बाहर। तो सलमान खान एंड चाइनीज एक्ट्रेस, व्हाट अ कॉम्बिनेशन।
I really find it quite interesting. I think अभी तक ऐसा हमने कोई पहले देखा नहीं है कनेक्शन, so I'm really looking forward कि कैसा बैठ रहा है, you know, relationship status and all. So I'm just excited.
फर्स्ट टाइम किसी चाइनीज एक्ट्रेस को सलमान खान के साथ देख रहा है तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट तो है ही।
बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, वो तो दिखने में बहुत अच्छी है, तो मे भी केमिस्ट्री भी अच्छी ही होगी।
चाइनीज इंडियन कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही अच्छा है, आगे भी ऐसा होना चाहिए, मतलब एक यूनिटी लगता है मूवी में भी।
काफी अच्छी लगी जोड़ी।
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इस टाइम ट्यूबलाइट की ईद होगी?
हाँ, लग तो रहा है ट्यूबलाइट की ईद होगी। हाँ, और सारे सलमान खान फैंस भी काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है इस मूवी के बारे में।
इंशाल्लाह होगी, जरूर होगी, क्यों नहीं होगी, श्योर होगी। सलमान ने काम अच्छा किया है, जरूर होगी।
Oh yes, of course. There's no two ways about it. Tubelight will gonna hit like a tubelight. It's not like that.
इसमें जल जाएगी ट्यूबलाइट।
Oh yes, it will be like cracking, like tube light hitting and cracking and smashing everywhere.
Salman, the name itself is brand. As a brand.
Obviously, Bhai lover. So I'm just like, we are the Bhai lovers and it's going to rock. Blockbuster.
ऑफ कोर्स क्यों नहीं होगी, सलमान खान की हर मूवी ईद पे रिलीज होती है और धूम मचा दी है बॉक्स ऑफिस पे. ऑफ कोर्स दिस टाइम भी मजा आएगी.
All the best.
All the best, Salman. All the best, Salman. Bye. Tubelight rocks.
All the best, Salman.
ऑल द बेस्ट सलमान.
All the best, Salman, and we love you.
So guys, आप लोगों ने देखा कितने ज्यादा लोग एक्साइटेड है सलमान खान की फिल्म ट्यूबलाइट के लिए और उन्हें ये गाना और सलमान और जुजू की केमिस्ट्री बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी लगी. So are you excited to watch ट्यूबलाइट की ईद? Please comment down in the comment section and let us know. Also don't forget to press the like button, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel Movies Adda. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Salman Khan is one of the highest earning actor with most number of blockbusters on last few years. His rate is almost 100% and he is one actor to bank on to make sure your bank balance gets high. One of his best is the film series Dabangg. Both Dabangg 1 and 2 have been huge hits and now Salman has the script for Dabangg 3. He has even scheduled his shot too. But what comes as a surprise is Salman saying that Arbaz will not be director. Salman said that Arbaz doesn't feel like directing his film and he was contented that he will just produce the film. Talks are that Sohail might do direction as Sohail has directed with Salman in many films and recently the two brothers are gearing up for Eid release of film Tubelight. Also, there were talks about Prabhudeva taking up the mantle of direction, but we fans are excited to see Salman back as Pandey Ji doing Hud Hud Dabangg.
क्रिकेट की रियल गेम के पीछे की गेम. हमने बहुत बार रियल लाइफ में मैच फिक्सिंग के किस्से सुने हैं. इनफैक्ट आज ही एक पाकिस्तानी सिंगर ने एलिगेशन लगाया है कि पाकिस्तान को लास्ट के 2 मैचेस इसलिए जिताए गए हैं ताकि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का फाइनल में सामना हो सके. ये जानने के बाद हाउ डू यू सी दिस गेम जो परसों मैच होने वाला है? विवेक,
I think Nitesh.
I think everyone can react on that. अगर आप लोग क्रिकेट के फैन हैं और आप ये मैच
Let the analyst answer. But is this your assumption?
Is it your assumption?
Yeah, is it that
What were the statistics involved?
That India and Pakistan will. So I think. Firstly, we don't. Yeah. Firstly, we don't know कि इसमें कोई सच्चाई है कि नहीं. But.
After you.
But. The spirit of Inside Edge, the spirit of Vikrant Dhawan, the character I play in the show. See, when we're watching cricket, somebody or the other in the room, in an office, in an atmosphere, when you're together watching a match, always says, "अरे यार छोड़ना यार fix है, you know, अरे छोड़ना यार पैसा खिलाया है, अरे ये तो जानबूझ के हार रहे हैं, अरे ये तो ये है, ये तो वो है, इस पे सट्टा लगा होगा, bet लगा होगा." So I think somewhere we're kind of encapsulating fictionally that spirit, that curiosity that's always there. अरे ऐसा होता होगा क्या? Also, when we say सट्टा लगाया, what do we know? हमको कैसे पता है कि सट्टा कैसे लगता है? उसके wheels within the wheels कैसे चलते हैं? What I loved, what Karan brought to this show when I first read the script was there's an exploration of that whole journey. सट्टा शुरू कहाँ से होता है? कहाँ से लगता है? लोग कैसे उस पे लगाते हैं? गेम खेलते कैसे हैं? What is the game behind the game? The exploration of that is fascinating, and I think that makes for a whole new world that Inside Edge creates and allures you, invites you into. So I think that's the critical question. And चाहे कोई कुछ भी बोल ले, इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच संडे को मैं खुद भी देखूंगा.
Salman Khan's Tubelight is indeed going places, and how. Its popularity is really illuminating the whole world. In fact, we spotted hoardings of Salman Khan's Tubelight at Times Square in New York City. This is the first time that we got to see a Bollywood film feature in New York. It was indeed a sight to see, and this does make us quite proud. Tube Light unravels a lesser explored chapter of history which deals with the iconic war between India and China in 1962. The film features Salman Khan as a dimwit who embarks on a journey to search for his lost brother. Sohail Khan plays the role of Salman's brother in real life, and it will really be a great experience to see the equation of the Khan brothers on celluloid. Chinese actress Suzu marks her debut in Bollywood with this film, and this is the last film where we will get to see the late actor Om Puri. This itself is a reason enough to watch the film, and we truly understand why Tube Light deserves to be on Times Square. So what do you feel about this latest achievement? Do let us know. Pakistan may not have the screening of Salman's Tube Light, and this is because two other films, Shor Sharaba and Yalghar, are being slated for a release. The two big-time films of Pakistan are for international viewing, and the country does not wish to ride on the Salman wave that is always there when his film is released there. Obviously, the Dabangg Bhaijaan is not only famous on real life or cross-border love, but also in real life. Well, sad that Salman would have to miss out on Pakistan viewing, and it sure is going to hit the distribution quotient, which was all set for a whopping 130 crores collection even before the movie was released. Set for a June 23rd release, Tube Light is the story of a simpleton who shows his confidence against adversities and is set on the Indo-China war background. So is that why Pakistan is backing out? The China connection. Do let us know what you feel about why the flick won't be screened there.